Well, hello there, friends. Oh boy, do I got something for you today. I think I found my new burger. It's amazing. It's a butter burger. You butter burger with onion. This is a Wisconsin butter burger. I sauteed some onion in butter, and then I made a garlic butter and put it on top of it, and I put on a brioche bread with more butter. If you like butter, stay tuned. You're gonna love it, I promise you. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring that bell. Stay tuned. We're making a butter burger right now. Okay, friends, Wisconsin butter burger. I'm going to show you how to make mine. It's going to have some onion and butter. Oh, you know it's a winner right there. It's going to be delicious. And the onion, compared to a normal burger, they are basically stewed. They stew them in butter. Nothing wrong with that. Except we're not going to caramelize them. I'm going to give it a little color, but they're not really for all of the people I've talked to, all the videos I've followed, they're not really caramelized. So we're going to do the burgers in here. I'm going to put a little bit of clarified butter in here because we can take the high heat and we want a caramelization. We want to get some a Maillard reaction. And we're going to do the onion here. And the onion is one big onion, like one of those. You see right there. This is not too big, okay? It's about one large onion, not too large. And what I did is I cut it in half. Remember, always cut it with a line, okay? Not against the line. Always follow the line. Cut it in half, and then I cut it in very, very thin. See, look, very, very thin. See how thin they are? And then I cut them like that, and then I cut them in half again, so I don't have too long of a pieces to deal with. And we're gonna cook them in butter. I mean, it's very simple. Okay? We're going to cook the whole onion, and that should be enough for you to do about 4 burgers. All right? One big onion. We're going to put salt and pepper, right? And then we're going to finish it up at the end with garlic butter. This is my trick. I haven't seen any of the Wisconsin butter burger. Butter burger. I haven't seen any putting garlic butter in it, but I'm going to do it because as long as we use good butter, you know, garlic is not going to hurt nobody, right? We got a brioche bread, so the brioche got butter in it. So we got butter in the bun, we got butter in the onion, and we got butter on top of the burger. All right, so let's check the heat right there, and I'll show you real quick about the burger. I'm good. Don't go too hot. What I do is I use an 80-20, but this time I have some chuck roast, and for every 1 pound of chuck roast, I added about 3 or 4 ounces of bacon. You can do that if you want. You don't have to do it this way. And what I do, friends, is I take an ice cream scoop that gives me exactly 3 ounces. And if you have a scale, just do it with a scale, right? And then I put my 3 ounces right there. And then I take a piece of parchment paper. I kind of do like when I do my smash burger, which everybody said it's not a smash burger, but it's a smash burger to me. So, and I smash it a little bit, okay? And then I'm ready to go. Then I can keep them, see right there, make it even, right? And I'm ready to go. Whenever I do my, boom, put them on top of a piece of parchment paper like that. Really simple, okay? I got it ready to go. So, the onion are cooking. You see, they're going to get a little color, but they're really stewing. We were stewing the onion. Actually, you know, the right term when you cook a steak, when you cook an onion, what am I talking about? When you cook an onion, it's called sweating the onion. That's an expression. You make a sweat. It's juice. What's the juice in an onion? Sugar. What happens when you cook sugar? Caramelize. That's really that simple, see? None of the stuff we do is complicated. All right, so look, I got the bun right there, and I got butter in there. So I'm going to get this hot. Then I'm going to cook it for a minute. So the bun is going to get more butter. So if you don't like butter, this is not the burger for you, okay? You want to go one of them vegan burger? Those are delicious. Have you ever had one of those? Mamma mia. They're lovely. I'm not going to have any vegan burger. I don't know what they got in there. Tofu or something. I'm sure it's delicious. All right, look, friends. This is not hot enough, and this is not hot enough. So we cannot rush. This is like, oh, mamma mia. I got to make the garlic butter. I always forget something. Very simple, friends. I got about 4 ounces of butter, and I got 4 cloves of garlic that I chopped very, very fine, right? And then I made a little butter, a little parsley right there. I got about 2 tablespoons of parsley, and I got a soft garlic butter. Okay? And when I make garlic butter, I don't like to cook with it because it burns the garlic. So I put it at the end. I put it on top of a steak. I put it on top of fish. You can rub it all over your body. You can do so many things with it. I got one right here that I made earlier. See, they look a little different. Every time you make it, it looks different. You know, cooking is like a lot of things in life. You want to change it once in a while. You don't want to do the same thing. It gets boring, huh? That's all I'm going to say. All right, look. Burgers, ready? Let's do it. Let me see. Check the temperature, Jean-Pierre. All right, I'm 390. I'm good. We're going to put the buns in here. Don't burn them. All right? I'm only making one burger. I don't know why I put 2 buns in there. So look, guys. I'm going to make only one. It's easy for me, but I'm going to put 2 patties, okay? 1 and 2. We're going to put salt and pepper. It's very thin. And we're not going to touch them. We're not going to touch them because we want to get some beautiful Maillard reaction. Okay, that's caramelization. Because the onion are kind of stewed. They're not really caramelized, friends. So they're delicious, but they're not really caramelized. They're not supposed to be caramelized, okay? They're supposed to be stewed. There is a restaurant in Wisconsin that won a James Beard Award for his delicious Wisconsin Butterburger. I think that's what he won the award for. And I was watching him do it, and they poach the onion. They cut in little pieces and they poach it. So I think the onion, if you give it a little color, it tastes better. That's why I'm doing it this way. Look, friends. We're going to go gently, right there. Gently, and we're going to flip it. Boom. Okay, we got some nice color. This is not a smash burger, okay? Look, very simple so far, friends, right? Take the cheese. I'm using a little cheddar cheese. I put 2 slices because 1 is not going to be enough. All right? They're 2 very thin slices. They got me very thin slices. Now we're going to put the butter, garlic butter, in the onion. You see? Now you can see the whole recipe coming alive, can't you? Can you? We're going to mix all this up, friends. Let's hope the bun is burned, not burned, but got some color in it. I don't want it to be burned. I hope it's got color. Yes, beautiful. Ha ha. Oh, it's hot. Oh, yes, beautiful. Okay, you. Leave it here for a minute because I'm not going to eat it right now. You stop. You. I know, no lettuce, no tomato, no nothing. Look, you take the first patty. You put it here, my friends. Then you take the onion. You, stop. You, stop. Everything, stop. Don't burn anything, Jean-Pierre. Look at this. If you could smell the onion right here, my friends. I promise. Now, it's going to be messy. Going to be messy. It's going to be really messy. Turn everything off. Boom. Take your burger. Put it right here. Look at this. Look at this, friends. I tell you, if you could be here and smell it, you would love it. So look, put the onion right there. Like I told you, it's going to be messy. But you know what? This is not the burger you're like eating it with a suit or something. You're just having a fun time. We're going to take, where's the other piece? Right there. Look, look. What you do now, you take a little more butter. Yeah. You see what I'm talking about right there? And then you do this. Like I said, friends, it's messy. But let me tell you, this, clean up the bowl, Jean-Pierre. You're licking it up. Don't be too much of a It's like, look at that. The butter is, look at the butter. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's very exciting, friends. Look at this. You can see it. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have a piece. Marcado. I'm not taking this right now. I'm not jacket. No way. I'm going to make a bitch man. I want to show you the inside. I want to show you what it looks like here, my friends. Look at this. Look at this. How does that look like, Jack? What do you think? Yes, Jack is liking it. It's gorgeous. Oh, friends, I know it's turned up away from the camera, but look at this, friends. You know how good that's going to be? All right, I know some of you are going to go, oh my goodness, he's going to burn himself. I am, but I think it's worth it. I can't wait. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, wow. Oh, oh. My friend, the meat, the onion, the butter. Oh my God. This has to be one of the best burgers I've ever had. I'm going to put that on my list. Top burger on Chef Jean-Pierre's list, my friend. Butter burger. Wisconsin butter burger. I hope you make it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell. Oh, let me tell you. Wow, this is amazing. Jack, wait until you test this. This is like amazing. It really is. That has to be one of the best burgers I've ever had. I'm telling you, I wasn't just saying that. I'm like, wow. No mess. You make a mess. Oh.